Good evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing good. Today, you all must be wondering what today's topic is going to be. Today, we have picked a topic algorithms for all of you. Yes, so today's topic is going to be algorithms. Now, you all must be wondering what is an algorithm? So, we can say an algorithm is a set of instructions to complete a task. In the previous classes, we have seen that sequence play a great role in coding. That is, we have to follow a particular sequence of a set of instructions. But what is that set of instructions going to be? Yes, that defines algorithm. A set of instructions which we need to complete a task is called an algorithm. Now let's take a few examples. Let's say we have to divide 25 by 5. First step which we are going to write is write 25 divided by 5. Second is check if 25 comes in table of 5. Does it? Yes. 5 times 5 is 25. So the answer of this problem is 5. When we divide 25 by 5, we will get the answer 5. Now let's take second example. Let's think about the steps to get in a car. First of all, we are going to unlock the car. Next, we will open the door. We will sit inside. Then we will close the door. And then we will put on the seat belt. So these are some of the few examples which show you how to do simple tasks in our day-to-day life and the sequence of steps which we need to perform to do them. Now let's write an algorithm to add two numbers. Step 1, let's take a number. Let it be 35. Step 2, let's take another number. Let it be 45. Now, in step 3, we are going to add these three numbers. 35 plus 45, we are going to get the result 80. And in the step 4, we are going to print the result 80. So this is how we are going to add two numbers and print the result. Okay. If you have understood this, you can help your friends this activity, or you can write an algorithm to multiply two numbers. Now, let's convert these algorithms in code using Python. Let's install Python in our Windows machine. To install Python, we must first download the installation package from the link which is given here. It is python.org/downloads. When you will open this link, you will get a screen which is shown on the left hand side. There you will see a yellow colored button where it is written download Python with its latest version. When you will click on this button, you will get an executable file of Python. Then you can click on the downloaded executable file. The first screen will appear on your desktop. Then you can click on Install Now button. Then the setup will go on. Once the setup will be done, you can start using Python. Now let's see how are we going to interact with Python. Once your Python is successfully installed in your computer, you can go to the Start menu and type IDLE there. You will see an app named IDLE. And when you will click on it, you will get a window like this, which will be named as Python shell. Here you can write your basic code of Python. Now, let's write the Python code to add two numbers. Again, we are going to follow the same steps of the algorithms to add two numbers. We are going to take one number. Here we are taking 10. Then we are going to take another number, which is 20. Then we are going to add these two numbers. 10 plus 20, the result is 30, and then we will print the result. Now let's see the code for it. So this is the very basic code of Python where you can add two numbers. Here we have taken a equals 10, b equals 20, c equals a plus b, and then we are going to print the result, which is going to be 30. You can click F5 button on your keyboard to run this code and see the results. Now, I have a home task for all of you. You can write a Python program to multiply two numbers and you can share your results. So this is going to be very similar to the program which we have already written, and what you can do is you can first write down an algorithm and then convert it to a Python code. I hope you liked today's session and it was fun for you to learn algorithms and then to convert those algorithms into code using Python programming language. So that is all which is going to be for today's class. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Have a good day, everyone.